Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and today we'll be doing a very simple dewy makeup look. So I really love this makeup look. It is my go-to quick makeup routine when I'm really crunching on time, and I think this can work for you too because firstly we don't have any foundation on but still we look nice and dewy. We do not need any foundation for this makeup look, and secondly this is a very quick and easy makeup routine that you can do in literally under 10 minutes if you get into the routine. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I've already set my face with my skincare, my moisturizer, sunscreen. I've already done all of that, so I don't need to do it on camera right now. And after that, I also went in with a concealer just to brighten up the under eyes. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to take a highlighter and we just want to go in with into the corner of our eyes to give us that pop of brightness. So what we're gonna do is just on the inside and the corner of our eyes, we're just gonna put a pop of highlighter. I always use a highlighter as eyeshadow because it looks so good. It gives you that really good shimmery look. I just love it. But be it night or day, I just use it all the time. So as you can see, it gives you an instant pop of brightness, like a glow automatically, and that's why I just really love using highlighter, guys. I think I am super obsessed. It's really up to you how much product you want to use. I like to use as much as it brightens up my eyes. If you can see, the first half of my whole eye is quite covered in highlighter and it really brings out a nice pop. Now I'm going to go in and do a little winged liner. So as you can see, I've just done half a wing. I am gonna do the other half and let's see if it matches. I don't guarantee that honestly, but let's try and match it. Does it look even? I don't think it looks even at all, but let's just roll with it, guys. You get the point. Yeah, that's the best I can do with my eyeliner, guys. It's not very matchy, but this is the best I can do. So next we're gonna go in with a mascara just to lengthen our eyelashes. This is my favorite part. I love eyelashes. I love my eyelashes because they really good with mascara, and I've been using this particular mascara for the longest time, actually since it's come out, and I think it's been almost, I don't know, around 7 years, since 7 or 8 years since this mascara has been launched, and I have been using it since ages and I just love it. It really works for me. Honestly, I haven't tried other ones to actually compare, but since this works for me, I haven't really tried anything else. Next, we're gonna go in with my favorite blush from K Beauty. It is this one. So I have two. I bought this one, which is in the shade what is it called, Sweetheart Pink, and then I also got this one, which is in the shade Flirty Nude. So I love this. It gives me such a good glow. You'll see, guys, it's amazing. It's this tiny little tube and you don't even need so much. You're just gonna take a little on your hand. Yeah, that's all you need, guys. That's all you need. Imagine. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna dab it slightly and put it on the face. Wow, can you see that? It just looks amazing. Wow. Guys, I love this blush. It makes you look so good. Now, depending on what type of look you want, you put it on your nose. So if you want a little, you know, sweetheart type of look, you go on the edge of your nose, on the tip of your nose. If you want a more sun-kissed look, you go on the bridge of your nose. And there are other sorts of ways that you can change whatever you want, but we're going for a glowy, dewy look. So let's just go on the tip of our nose to give us that cute sweetheart look. I'm just trying to, I always try and get all the product off from here because I literally don't want to waste anything because it looks so good, guys. And now straight after blush, we're going to go in with the highlighter right on top of the blush. And this is what's going to enhance the whole look. So highlighter is really the best makeup product ever, guys, ever. If you get the right highlighter, there's nothing that can beat it. So as soon as you apply it, it's like that instant glow. You can just see it, guys. Oh my God. I am obsessed with highlighter. Wow. Okay, now to bring the look together, we are gonna put some on the tip of our nose, and this is the best. So what you're gonna do is just put a little on the tip of your nose so that it gives you that brightness, some extra shine on your nose, and you're also going to put some on the bridge of your nose. So just like an exclamation mark, not the whole nose, just an exclamation mark. That's it. Wow, love that. I'm also going to put some on the Cupid's bow. And we're also going to put some around here on the chin. Okay, that looks amazing. I want to do a very subtle look for my lips, so we're going to be sticking to some browns, some nude brown shades, and I'm just going in with this liner to line my lips first. So lately I've really been enjoying overlining my lips for some reason, and I just love how it turns out. It turns out really good. It makes my lips look much more plump. Okay, now we've just applied our liner, and now we're gonna go in with the lipstick. And this is by Rare Beauty. I don't know what shade it is, but let's go in. Wow, I think that looks fabulous. I love the way the look turned out. It's very dewy, very quick. Quick if you can do it fast, if you get into the makeup routine. And yeah, guys, that's the look for today. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.